2019. Okay, guys. So plumbing services, Los Angeles, CA. Okay, as you can see, you have to put yourself in your customer's shoes in 2019. Okay, there's no yellow pages, phone books, or anything that come into your customer's house. They could find you as a business. Okay, so they're gonna basically put your business and your service in Google, on their laptop, on their cell phone, on even in their Alexa app, and find you as a business. So for plumbing services, Los Angeles, CA, as you can see, these customers come up. These top customers come up in the map pack. Okay, this is the Google My Business listing. Okay, so if you're a business currently right now, a mobile business, a plumber, a contractor, anything that offer a mobile service, or that you go to give quotes or do quotes, basically what I want you to do is I want to pull out your cell phone right now, and I want you to go to your Safari, into your internet browser, and I want you to put your service, city, and state. Okay, that's basically going to show you who's the top guys in the area and who actually getting the lead on a daily basis without paying for Google AdWords. Okay, now the next niche is roofing. Okay, as you can see, this is for a roof repair in Los Angeles. 3 guys come up, and then at the bottom is the organic. So you want to come up in this 3, and this is the organic at the bottom. Next, pet grooming, East Brunswick, New Jersey. Okay, for your pet grooming guys, as you can see, there's 3 map packs. You want to come up in that area. Okay, fence repair, Cherry Hill, New Jersey. You want to come up in that area. Okay, and this is what I'm going to teach you today: how to create a Google, a Gmail, and submit your Google My Business listing. Okay, so let's go to the Gmail. Okay, I want you guys to put your Gmail in and your login and hit sign in. Now, if you don't have a Gmail, you need to create one. This is very easy. Just go to create account and follow the prompts. Okay, it's very simple. You're going to create an email. They're going to send you a verification code to your cell phone. You approve it, and boom, you have a Gmail. Okay, so do that step and then fast forward to this step. So I'm going to input my Gmail, and I'm going to hit next. Okay, I'm going to put my password in. Okay, hit enter, and boom, I'm on my way. I'm on my Gmail. Okay, now this is a Gmail that I created for this tutorial. I actually created my Google listing already in it, and I'm just gonna create another one just to show you how easy it is. Okay, so basically this is gonna come up. Okay, and you're gonna, once you've logged in, what I want you to do is just open up another tab. Okay, it could be any tab. I want you to go to Google My Business listing. Okay, once you hit it, you're gonna see the #1 result is Google My Business. Okay, don't click on this Yelp business listings. This is the advertising for Yelp. You want to click on the one that's not highlighted with the green on the bottom. Okay, so as you can see, it don't say ad on this one. It don't say ad here. So these are the organic Google My Business pages. Okay, I want you to click on it, sign in, which will automatically sign in because you're signed in with the Gmail. Okay, and boom, this is gonna come up. Okay, this is the listing that I have, the tutorial listing that I have already. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go to the normal page. Okay, we're gonna go down and create a listing. Okay, so for me, create location. Let's just put Vegas, whatever it is. Okay. You're going to go in here and you're going to put add location. Add single location. Okay. Boom. This is going to be the page that you guys actually seeing. Okay. And you're going to put your business name in here, guys. Super, super simple. Okay. So if you're Mary's, pet grooming, if you're Tom's roofing, if you Bob's plumbing, whatever your business name is, you're gonna put it exactly as that in here. Okay, so let's do Ralph's Roofing. Okay, create business with Ralph Roofing. You're going to hit next. Okay, now you're going to put the address for Ralph Roofing. Okay, so whatever address you want, you can put in here. Super simple. Let me go to Google and just find something. Let's do something in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, let's do 225 Atlantic Avenue. Okay. Now remember, guys, the address you put in here, you have to have access to the mail. Okay. So this could be your cousin's house, your uncle's house, whatever it is. If you don't have a brick and mortar, meaning a storefront, if you have a storefront, guys, put the storefront here. Okay. But if you don't have a storefront, just use somebody's in your family's address and put their address in here. You're just getting junk mail. That's all you're going to get there, guys. So it's not really nothing crazy, okay? Let's put Brooklyn, New York. Okay. Super, super simple. Let's put 10305, okay? Let's do Staten Island. I'm going to put Staten Island because I know the zip code. Okay, now you have the option here. I deliver goods and services to my customers. So basically, if you're a plumber, roofer, mobile grooming, etc., if you actually go to the customer's house for a quote or the service, you're going to put it here. Now, if you're a brick and mortar and you have a storefront with a sign and etc., you're not going to click this, okay? You're going to hit next. Okay, now you're going to put the business category in. So, if you're a lawyer, if you're a whatever you do, okay, I want you to put the category in, okay? As you can see, if you hit A, ATM, artist, airline, airport, whatever, car service. For pets, pet store, pet groomer, pet trainer, pet cemetery, pet supply store, pet moving service. There's so much stuff you could do, guys, okay? And, you're just going to put your stuff here. So for this, I believe I put roofer. Let's do roofer. Roofing contractor. Okay. You're going to hit next. Contact number. Okay, guys. So you're going to put a contact number that can accept a text message. Okay. Do not put a business phone because obviously a landline will not accept the text message unless you have a tracking number on it. Okay. So put a personal cell phone or a business line that handles the call volume, okay? You're going to put that in. Then you're going to put your current website URL. Super, super, super simple, okay? Now, if you don't want the website up there, which I would not suggest because the customer needs to see your work, okay? If you don't have money for a website and you just want customers in that area, just get a free website right here. Super simple, okay? Hit this. Get a free website, and Google will give you a free website. Okay, super, super, super simple. Okay, so let's see if I could do this with my business phone. I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, it works. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna do finish. Okay. Google do the stuff that it has to do. Boom. Okay, guys? So choose a way to verify. In order to fully manage and represent this business on Google, you need to confirm that it's yours, okay? They give you an option, postcard by mail. This usually the only option you ever get with Google, My Business Listing, okay? So what they're going to do is, guys, they're going to send you a postcard. I'll show you what the postcard is. What it looks like. You could tell your family member to look out for it. It's a small card, guys. It can easily be thrown out. So this is something that you need to tell your family member or business partner to look out for. See this little number? It's super simple, guys. It's going to come to the address. It's going to have this little code, and then you're going to sign back in, and you're going to put the code in, okay? Super simple, guys. So you're going to put the contact name that receives the mail, okay? If your Uncle Marty lives there, you're going to put your Uncle Marty's name, okay? Usually when you put your name and the post office don't have your name registered, the mailman probably not going to drop it in that box, okay? It happens. So just put the guy who lives there or stays there that the mail could be delivered, okay? So let's put Ronald McDonald, okay? Okay, super simple, okay? Super, super, super simple. and then you're going to mail it. Okay? Boom, a postcard is coming. So now Google will send a postcard to that area, okay, to that address. You're going to do it, and you're going to put the code in, and boom, now you're ready to go, okay? Now, when you get the 5 days later, okay, you get the postcard, obviously pending verification, okay? You receive the postcard. Now they're going to say put the code in, okay? And that's where you just go to learn more and you put your code in. Super simple, guys, okay? What I want you to do before you get it, okay? Edit this, okay? You could add your hours. You can add your description. You could put your logo here. Everything that you need to do it now, okay? You could hire a virtual tour 360 professional. If you need help in that, just let me know and I'll get a professional to come out there. Usually like $650 to get it done, but this is good, guys. This is something that you need to get done, especially if you have a brick and mortar, okay? This is only for brick and mortars, guys who have a storefront. If you don't have a storefront, you do not need a 360 experience, okay? Just add the hours, add the description, add the logo, and you're ready to go, okay? Create a post, okay? Every month, okay? I want you guys to post 3 times a month, okay? It could be anything from sales to anything that you sell, new products, new services. Post, okay? This makes sure that this helps your ranking in Google, for Google to show up for your keyword, okay? So let's say pet grooming city and state. The more you do this, the more beneficial it is to that keyword, okay? If you guys want to get more professional, you could buy a Google Google URL email. So basically, Ted's Roofing at tedsroofing.com, etc., etc. You don't need it, guys, but if you want to grow big, and eventually in the future, somebody's going to tell you need it, okay? So if you want to do it now, that's fine. It's $5 a month through Google. Totally up to you, okay? Edit your website. So here how you edit the free website they give you, okay? You could just go to edit site. Super simple, guys. Go to edit site, and boom, Ralph's Roofing, okay? You can edit this to whatever you want, okay? You want to change the color, you could change the color. You're ready to go. Totally up to you, guys. Totally up to whatever you want to do, okay? You can add the color, change the color, etc., etc., okay? You want to edit the theme, you could do that. You can add the button, okay? You edit the button if you want. Let's go to edit the button. Yeah, discard. As you can see, call now. Put the phone number there in. You can edit the phone number, do whatever you want, okay? Primary button, roofing, summary header. You could do all this stuff, guys, okay? And boom, your website will be done. Super simple, guys. It's very direct. Now, using this site, are you going to kill your competition? No. If you look at your competition, nobody have these business sites, okay? So they really don't rank for keywords, but they're there for free, okay? So you're not going to make thousands of dollars doing that, okay? If you want, you could shoot us a message and we could give you a pricing for a website, or you could just go to like something like Weebly.com and buy a domain and do it yourself. But at the end of the day, you need SEO, guys, okay? You need SEO on your website for you to come up. Search engine optimization for you to come up like these competitors, okay? These competitors use SEOs, or they purchase a website from a business that offer SEO, okay? So you need to come up in these areas to compete with your competitors, okay? Remember, let's go back to Yellow Pages and White Pages. They're not throwing these on customers' doorsteps anymore. So how can a customer find you in 2019? They're gonna search this way, okay? Super, super simple, okay? Now, guys, if you don't have a email, okay, I mean, if you don't have an address to do this Google My Business listing, I'm going to put a link below to a website called gmbrickstars.com where you can actually buy an address, okay? So if you want to, let's say East Brunswick, New Jersey, and this varies for all your locations, obviously, but let's say East Brunswick, New Jersey, Okay, you have your business here, and you want to get business here, or you want to get business in Rocky Hill. I could get you an address with the gmbrockstar.com at gmbrockstars.com for you to rank in this area. Okay, so also email us at info@cisbroinnovation.com if you want a lead gen build out, and we could basically build you multiple locations around here where you could dominate. Okay, totally up to you. At the end of the day, you want to dominate this first page with your business name that you could kill the competition. Okay, you want your business here in the map pack, and you want your business here in the organic. Okay, so let's see the roof doctor. Okay, let's see who's number 1 here. So First Quality Roof, he's number 5, and he's number 1 in the organic. Okay, in the map pack. If he was number 1 and number 1 in the map pack, he will get more calls. You get what I'm saying? You don't want to be on page 2, 3, 4 because that's where they hide dead bodies, okay? So if you need any help on our side, we could get you established with a lead generation website. Or if you need help with your brand website, we could definitely get you more business, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you copy this and you do it for yourself and you get your main business found in Google, okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.